If you don't mind, may I know your good name, please?
Yes, why not? I'm Vikas, and you?
Nice name. I'm Radheshyam. Where do you come from?
I come from Kroni, which falls in Daranga district, and you?
I come from Masari, which falls in the Daranga district. How many members in your family?
My family is nuclear, and there are 5 members in my family, and you?
My family is also nuclear, in which 6 members. If you don't mind, tell me one thing.
Yes, why not?
What are you doing right now?
I am learning speaking in English and preparation for board exam in 2028. And you?
I'm also preparing for board exam 2028 and preparing board exam with correct UPSC. How to prepare? What is your hobbies?
My hobby is playing and talking. And you?
My hobbies are playing football and cricket and teaching. What is your ambition in your life?
My ambition is engineering. And you?
My ambition is my life is crack UPSC and JEE. Why learning English you?
I'm learning English for other country, for people by people for study for English.
Wow, very nice your purpose while learning English. Morning.
I wake up early morning for a study for and preparation and practice for English.
Wow, very nice.
Really nice conversation with you. I hope we will you say something about bye.
Bye bye.